अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में CS401 के ग्रैंड क्विज नंबर 1 को सॉल्व करेंगे। इस वीडियो में 2 ग्रैंड क्विज सॉल्व हुए हैं, तो दोनों के दोनों स्क्रीनशॉट्स मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, पहला क्वेश्चन है डैश इंस्ट्रक्शन डायरेक्ट द फ्लो प्रोग्राम। इसका जो एग्जैक्ट आंसर है वो स्पेशल है। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जी, इन MUL इंस्ट्रक्शन इफ़ द सोर्स ऑपरेंड इज़ अ बाइट देन द रिजल्ट इज़ रिटर्न इन डैश एंड डैश। इसका जो एग्जैक्ट आंसर है वो B है, AH and AL. Third question is, with the execution of call instruction the value of dash is decremented by 2 SP. Right answer. उसके बाद which of the following bit is dropped into the carry flag after the execution of dash of shift logical write operation 0 bit. In case of DIV-BX instruction, the quotient is stored in dash register AX. Physical memory address is of dash 16 bit. In dash operation, the output is 1 only if both input are 1 or operation. The execution of the instruction move word ES or 160 0x1230 will print a character on screen at the dash column of the dash row. First call and second. Option D. Which of the following jump is taken if the last arithmetic operation has produced a number in its destination that have even parity? JPE. Each bit of the dash register convey a different meaning. Flags. इसका जो है आई थिंक मुझे एग्जैक्ट नहीं याद और ना ही मुझे इसका आंसर मिला था। मैंने अपनी तरफ से इसका अल्फ़ाबेटिक लगाया था, तो आप लोग कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा। An important role of the stack is the creation of dash variable that are only needed while the subroutine is in execution and not afterwards. Local. Confirm है इसका। Which of the following instruction allows code reusability in 8088? Call. Option C. Which of the following operation is used to set any specific bit in a binary number? Option D. And all mathematical and logical operations are performed on the dash accumulator. Option B. In shift left, the dash bit is dropped into the carry flag. Most important, significant. Option A. This where flag can be stored in the dash register. Option C. This flag can be stored in a dash, both register and memory. Option D. The convention to return a value from a subroutine is to use the dash register AX. Option B. The main difference between standard and extended ASC11 tables is the number of dash symbols. The call instruction changes the values of dash and dash registered IP and SP. Option B. Stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Option D. Which of the following registers hold the address of data in 8088? B है, इसका भी एग्जैक्ट नहीं है, मैंने अपनी तरफ से इसका ऑप्शन B लगाया, आप लोग कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा। मेरे नज़दीक इसका ऑप्शन B था। In dash a 0 is inserted from the right and every bit moves one position to its left with the most significant bit dropped into the carry flag, both SHL and SL. Option D. In case of 32-bit processor, the size of the accumulator register will be dash bit 32. Confirm. In shift left operation, the leftmost bit will be always be 1. Which of the following is not a valid instruction in assembly language? I think option A. Interrupts are dash event asynchronous. CX register is mostly used as a register counter. Option A. Data bus is a bidirectional. Cell width refers to the total number of bits in a memory cell, while the total number of cells is called the dash cell width. STI stands for set the interrupt flag. Option A. Which of the following assembly code best matches with the instruction A17528 move AX7528? Option A, I think. Move is used to dash a block of memory. Move. Option A. To declare a character in assembly language, we stored its ASCII code in a dash words. Which of the following is the most illegal instruction? I think इसका option C है. Confirm कर लीजिएगा. When an element is pushed on the stack, SP is decremented by 2. Option B. We can convert a digit into its ASCII represent by adding dash to it. 0 multiplied by 30. Option C. Dash is used for temporary diversion jump. The IDTR is a dash bit register similar to structure to the GDTR 48. Option is. Which of the following is used to clear the direction flag? C, LD. I think so. Which of the following cannot be pushed on the stack? 1 byte. Confirm. RET instruction takes dash arguments 3. Confirm. Whenever we need access to memory location whose address is not known until runtime, we use index register. Confirm. The correct instruction to subtract with borrow is dash SWV. Option A correct answer है. इसका आई थिंक ऑप्शन ए था, फिर भी आप लोग कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा. The segment offset pair is called is an dash address. Logical. Confirm. REPN move utilizes the dash power of processor to do scrolling in minimum time. Full. Option B. Registers are stored cells inside the processor. Option A correct answer. The intent of the processor is carried to the memory for read-write operation through the dash control bus. Option C. Scrolling is the process of moving one or more lines toward the both or bottom of the screen, and the new line that appears on the top or bottom is called cleared. Option B. The jump is taken if the last arithmetic operation has changed the sign unexpectedly. JO. Option A. The stack of IPAPX 88 works on dash size elements word. The base pointer accesses logical variables using dash offset negative. Option D. ये थे जी आज के MCQs. Thanks for watching.